Hello everybody and welcome back to Negin Academy. Today we are going together find out how can we make a present perfect example. For present perfect example, like always, we need very good subject at the beginning of the sentence. So I put the subject here at the beginning of the sentence. In the second position, we need have or has. We need two auxiliaries, have or has. And in the final position, we need verb 3, or we could call it past participle. Past participle and verb 3 are synonyms. So what do we mean by verb 3 or past participle? Look at this example. We have go, we have went, and we have gone. Gone is our verb 3. For example, gone, seen. Look at these. Gone, eaten, seen. These are all verb 3. I will keep just seen for our example. So we need two auxiliary, have or has, but we use these two auxiliary based on our subject. We have different subjects in English. Definitely you all know about it. But as a reminder, for subjects which are third person singular subjects like he, like she, he, and it, for she, he, and it, which of these auxiliaries should we use? Very good, excellent. We have to use auxiliary has. So we can say she has seen, he has seen, it has seen. These are all present perfect examples. But whenever we want to use other subjects instead of third person singular ones, like for example, subject you instead of third person singular subject, or subject I, let me put them in the order. I will take the third personal subjects, I, you, we, and they. For all these four subjects, what kind of auxiliary should we use? Do you know about it? Perfect, excellent. The only auxiliary can be used is have. I have seen, you have seen, we have, and they have. Perfect. These are all present perfect examples. Nice and easy. Let's look at some other more examples. Can we say you have seen? Is it correct? Yes, bravo, that's correct. But can we say you has seen? Is this example correct? No. We have to change the auxiliary or we have to change the subject. If we have auxiliary has, we have to change the subject to she, he, or it. This example is correct. Very good, excellent. But if we have, for instance, the subject you, can we use the auxiliary has? No, definitely. We have to change it to auxiliary have. You have seen. Or I can say I have seen. Or we have seen. Or they have seen. But whenever I have auxiliary has, I have to change the subject to he has seen, it has seen, or she has seen. These are all present perfect examples. Bye-bye.